I'm Shrist, and I'm going to showcase my project for the Scaffold Stellar Hackathon. So imagine you're a small business. You delivered your product, sent the invoice, and now you wait 30 days, 60 days, and sometimes even 90 days for a payment. Meanwhile, your bills are due today. This cash flow problem literally kills businesses. But what if you could turn that invoice into instant cash? That's exactly what we built with StellarInvoice. StellarInvoice transforms unpaid invoices into tradable on-chain assets on the Stellar blockchain. It's a two-sided marketplace that creates a win-win situation. Businesses get instant liquidity by selling their invoices at a small discount. Investors can buy these invoices and earn high yield returns when those invoices are paid in full. Think of it like this: invoice gets tokenized, listed on the marketplace, sold to an investor, and eventually settled. Everyone wins. And we built this entire thing using Scaffold Stellar. Let me connect my wallet before I tell you more about the project. So the wallet is connected now. Let me show you how this fulfills all the three criteria first. So we have a deployed contract with on this address. You can see this at the GitHub README of this project. Secondly, we have a fully functional front end. Let me show you how I can create an invoice as a small business. Let's use $1,000 as a face amount. The target APR is 35%, and let's just say demo 1. So if you were to create an invoice right here, I'd get a writer prompt right here. So I'll confirm it. Then I'll wait for a few seconds, and once it is created, I'll get a list for sale option. I'll just click on it. So after I click on this, it will be available in the marketplace. So it's currently happening. So I can click on the marketplace, and invoice has been listed successfully, and we can see this is the demo one and this is the face value and all of it. Now let me copy my address. Let me change my account into account 4. So now I'll be showing you what I can do as a buyer who's looking to buy an invoice. So I'll click on the marketplace and I'll click on buy now. If you're using this for the first time, you will probably need to fund your account from right here. So please click on this before you start to buy the invoice. So I'll confirm this, and right, so it has been purchased successfully. I'll click on the portfolio, and right, so we've got this invoice 6 demo 1 right here. So I was able to get this. Now imagine you want to repay it as the if the business was able to sell their invoice, and now you want to repay it and complete the loop. So I'll go on this. I'll copy the address of this account. I'll go to this account, and I'll go to this debugger tab that Scaffold gave us. So this is one of my favorite parts about building with Scaffold. I was able to get a debug tab right here. So I'll find the repay function. There it is. Also, one thing to note is that we are using demo token transfers for this hackathon demo. So we're simulating the token transfers basically to focus on the workflow, but the contract includes the full payment logic that's production ready. So I'll put in the address right here. The invoice ID was 6 as I can remember, and I'll submit it. I'll get a writer transaction from right here, so I'll confirm it, and once it has been confirmed, I'll get a notification soon. So I'll go to the other account once again. There we go, and I'll go to the portfolio tab, and this will soon turn to settled. Right there it is. So it has turned to settled because I was able to pay from the other account. I was able to settle it from the other account. So this was perfect for the repay function. Instead of building a whole UI screen for the settlement, I was just able to use a debugger to show you how it worked. So this was the kind of developer experience that made Scaffold Stellar so incredible. I got production grade tooling without any setup. Now let me tell you more about how it helped me. So I was able to get a TypeScript client file that was auto generated from the Rust contract. I didn't need to write a single line of code manually for that. So I had perfect type safety, full intelligence support, and zero bugs from manual integration. I just literally imported that into my React hook. So you can go through the entire code right here. So the whole workflow was pretty good. We were just ran npm run dev, and Steph said automatically compiled the contract, generated the TypeScript client, and deployed to our chosen network, and even injected the contract ID into our front end. Just one command, and that was it. The wallet kit integration was also something that was already done here, so that was no issue at all. So I was like, honestly, I spent like 5% of my time on setup and integration, and 95% on actually building these features. So now let me put this into perspective actually. The global invoice financing market is worth $3.5 trillion. Dollars. Small businesses wait an average of 66 days for invoice payment. Traditional refactoring services are slow, expensive, and opaque. Stellar Invoice is instant, transparent, and built on blockchain, and because it is on Stellar, it works anywhere in the world with anyone instantly with minimal fees. This isn't just a cool tech demo, this is a real solution to a real problem that affects a lot of people. So we were able to build this so quick due to Stellar Scaffold only. And thank you for watching, and you can check out the live demo and the GitHub repo in the description below. Thank you.